the buzz around the town. Yeah, and just living downtown myself, it just brings a new gathering of people, and to have everyone excited about similar things, and yeah, it'll be enjoyable. It'll be fun.
Yeah, I guess I'm really looking forward to seeing the UICA's exhibition, especially with their new show. I think they'll have a lot to offer.
I think the thing that I like most about Art Prize, especially in this downtown area, is I'm here quite frequently, and you see kind of generally the same people, the same types of things. But when Art Prize comes to town, just kind of blows the doors open as far as who's down here and what's going on.